Hello everyone, this is the weekly current affair video of 26 May to 1 June. So let's get started. Who becomes the first Indian to win Formula 2 race at Monaco Grand Prix? The answer is Kush Maini. Who topped the medal tally in Khelo India Beach Games 2025? The answer is A. Manipur. The host was Dadar and Nagar Haveli, Daman and Diu, and the mascot was Pearl. Who becomes the 9th member of New Development Bank? The answer is C. Algeria. The headquarters is in Shanghai, China. The members are total 9 members: BRICS countries, Brazil, Russia, India, China, South Africa, and other than that, UAE, Egypt, Uruguay and Algeria, which is the newest member. Where was India's first 9,000 horsepower electric locomotive plant inaugurated? The answer is D. Dahod, Gujarat. Who claimed his 100th career title won at Geneva Open 2025? The answer is B. Novak Djokovic. Who won the first gold medal at the Asian Athletics Championship 2025? The answer is Gulveer Singh. Which country tops at the ISSF Junior World Cup 2025 hosting in Seoul, Germany? The answer is D. India. Who sets the world record in javelin, winning gold at Northwell World Para-Athletic Grand Prix? The answer is C. Mahendra Gujral. He created a world record in men's javelin F42 category with a throw of 61.17 meter. Which country launched world's highest resolution weather forecast system BFS? The answer is C. India. Who is the first Indian origin musician to win American Music Awards AMA? The answer is B. Raja Kumari. Which countries conducted joint military exercise Nomadic Elephant 2025? The answer is A. India, Mongolia. Which city will host the Asian Weightlifting Championship 2026? The answer is C. Ahmedabad. Who becomes the youngest Indian to climb 7 summits, the highest peaks of all 7 continents? The answer is D. Vishwanath Karthike. Who was crowned as the 72 Miss World 2025 hosted in India? The answer is Opal Sujata Chongsari, and she is from Thailand. The host of the 72nd Miss World was Hyderabad, Telangana. Which is the 4th capital of Northeast state to connect to the National Railway network? The answer is C. Aizawl. Where is this 22nd Shangri-La Dialogue hosted? The answer is A. Singapore. Which is the first district in India to meet its power needs through solar energy? The answer is B. Diu.